araw po at magandang gabi sa mga nakakapanood sa gabi at sa lahat po ng naabot ng video nito. Welcome po dito sa AMB o Avoy Mix Videos. Ngayon po ay tatalakayin natin itong tinatawag na Trump-class battleship na pinagmamalaki ni Donald Trump na presidente ng Amerika, na sinasabi niyang 100 times stronger than any battleship today, no? So, ito po yung video mula po to kay Weapon of the World. So dito po parang iminatch niya itong battleship na pinagmamalaki ni Trump na talagang pinakamabilis at pinakamalaki dito sa pinakamalaking battleship na naghari noong World War II, yung Yamato ng Japan. So ito po ang video, panoorin po natin.
History records that the most powerful battleship ever built was the Japanese Yamato class, specifically the lead ship IJN Yamato and her sister Musashi. These massive warships, commissioned during World War II, remain unmatched in size, armament, and raw firepower among all battleships that actually saw service. Built in secret by Imperial Japan in the late 1930s and early 1940s, the Yamato class was designed to dominate any naval gun battle. Japan creating monsters that displaced up to 72,000 tons at full load and a length of...
So para po sa kaalaman ng iba, no, ito pong Yamato ay napalubog ng mga Amerikano, no? At ito po ang ina-expect pong kalaban nito ay yung kapwa niya mga battleship, pero na-surprise po sila dahil almost 500 na eroplano bago na palubog ito ang ginamit, bago na palubog ang barkong ito, at talagang pahirapan. Yung taas niya po ay halos tumataas ng 10 palapag na building po. Ganyan po kataas yung tower na yan.
263 meters, larger than any other battleship. Yamato is equipped with 9 18.1-inch main guns, the largest ever mounted on a warship. Each could fire 3 200-pound shells over 26 miles. The ship has armored shields up to 26 inches thick on turrets and 16 inches on the belt, extremely heavy protection. These guns gave Yamato unmatched throwing power. A single broadside weighed more than 28,000 pounds of shells. Yamato represented the peak of big gun battleship thinking. No battleship has been built since the 1940s. Modern navies focus on carriers, destroyers, and submarines. In history, nothing beats the Yamato class for sheer power on paper and at sea. It was a terrifying...
So, tama po, no? Sa larangan ng engineering, talagang very successful ang pagkakagawa dito sa Yamato na to. So, talagang dumarating yung time na pwede siyang matalo kahit na ganun. Pero imagine mo, 500 warplanes po ang nagpalubog dyan, ang ginamit. Ganyan po katindi ang technology nung Hapon noong World War II.
Engineering marvel. Now the US sets a new record by bringing back the new super battleship. In a bold move to strengthen America's sea power, President Donald Trump announced the Trump-class battleship. This new warship class is set to bring back the might of battleships, which the US Navy hasn't built since World War II.
So ito yung pinagmamalaki ni Trump na mas malaki pa kesa sa Yamato, no? Mas mahaba pa to kaysa sa Yamato. Ewan ko lang yung kung mas mataas ba to kaysa sa Yamato. Pero siyempre, modern na ngayon. Ito po ay laser guided at saka laser guided at missile guided. So, ganyan po ka-high-tech yung barko na yan.
The first ship, named USS Defiant, BBG-1, will lead what Trump calls the Golden Fleet. It's designed to counter growing threats, especially from China's expanding navy. The goal is to build 10 to 25 of these ships, starting with 2, and they'll be made in US shipyards like the Hanwha Philly shipyard in Pennsylvania. Battleships were once the kings of the ocean. The last ones, like the Iowa class, retired in 1992 after serving in wars from World War II to the Gulf War. Since then, the Navy focused on aircraft carriers, destroyers, and submarines.
As Commander-in-Chief, it's my great honor to announce that I have approved a plan for the Navy to begin the construction of two brand new, very large, largest we've ever built, battleships. It's 100 times more powerful.
But now, with hypersonic missiles and advanced threats, the Trump...
So, sinabi niya 100 times more powerful sa mga ships na umiiral ngayon, no? So, alam naman natin yung mga barko na umiiral ngayon, mas powerful pa kaysa sa Yamato noong 1940s, no? At ngayon, mas powerful pa ito ng 100 times.
Threats, the Trump class aims to fill a gap. It's not just a big gunship, it's a guided missile powerhouse that can strike far, defend fleets, and command operations. Navy officials say it's the most lethal warship ever built, 3 times the size of current destroyers. The Trump class is huge and high-tech. It weighs over 35,000 to 40,000 tons when fully loaded. The ship is 840 to 880 feet long, 105 to 115 feet wide, and has a draft of 24 to 30 feet.
Malaki siya, no? Mahaba ng malaki. Talagang tama yung sinasabi ni Trump, no? Kasi pride niya to, eh. Kaya nga pinangalan sa kanya Trump class destroyer.
This makes it stable in rough seas. It can zip along at more than 30 knots. It uses integrated full electric propulsion, which is efficient and quiet, helping it sneak up on enemies. 650 to 850 sailors will live and work on board. That's fewer than old battleships, thanks to automation. It equipped with the AN-SPY-6 radar, which spots planes, missiles, and ships from far away. There's a flight deck and 2 hangars for helicopters like the V-22 Osprey or future ones. This lets it launch drones or choppers for scouting or attacks. The design draws from past ships but adds modern twists. It's like a supersized destroyer with extra muscle. 3 big missile launch areas, 2 at the front, 1 at the back, hold tons of weapons. The ship is equipped with 128 cells for Mark 41 vertical launch systems, plus 12 for hypersonic conventional prompt strike missiles that fly super fast. It can even carry nuclear-tipped cruise missiles, SLCM-N, for big threats. Other missiles include Tomahawks for land attacks and Standard missiles for air defense.
Grabe, no? Ang dami niyang bala, no? Iba-iba. May vertical launch, may Tomahawk, may torpedo. So, ang pinapakita kanina parang lumang barko, yung umiikot, no? Yung parang naka-AutoCAD. Pero mukhang ganito talaga yung itsura niya, no? So, ang pinapakita pala ngayon, dalawa yung gagawin, eh. Dalawa ay puro, yung tinatawag natin graphics, no? Parang animation. Pero hindi pa natin hindi pa pinapakita dito yung actual na video ng barko na yon.
It also equipped with Supergun, a 32 megajoule electromagnetic railgun that shoots projectiles at incredible speeds without gunpowder, plus 2 5-inch guns and 4 30mm guns for close fights. Besides that, a pair of 300 kilowatt lasers to zap drones or missiles, 4 Odin lasers, 2 anti-drone systems, and 2 ram launchers for short-range protection. It has 80 times the range of older ships thanks to these long-reach weapons. Advanced features and roles beyond guns, it's smart. It uses artificial intelligence, AI, to run systems and make decisions faster. It acts as a command center for other ships, drones, and subs. This helps in big battles like defending against missile swarms or striking deep into enemy territory. The ship is versatile: air defense, anti-submarine, surface attacks, and even nuclear options. It's built for the 2030s and beyond, mixing with smaller frigates and robot boats. Each ship could cost 10 to 15 billion dollars. That's a lot.
Grabe, no? Ang mahal, no? Halos isang budget na ng Pilipinas siya sa isang taon, eh. Ganyan, ano? Pero talagang kailangan, eh, no? Parang napapanahon na, no? At, siyempre, hindi naman papatalo ang Amerika sa China. At sa ibang bansa pa, sinasabi nila sila may pinakamalakas na, pinakamodernong gamit at pinakamalakas pa rin sa kasalukuyan ngayon na sa larangan ng pandigma. Kaya pinagawa ito ni Donald Trump at ipinangalan pa sa kanya. Ganyan po talaga ang kanilang presidente ngayon. So, tuloy natin ang video.
Experts worry if the Navy can afford so many. Not everyone is thrilled. Critics say building these giants might drain money from more ships or tech. It could take years to build, and costs might balloon. Some question if battleships are needed when carriers and subs dominate, but supporters argue it's a symbol of strength that deters foes. So, the Trump-class battleship is an exciting revival of naval power. With its size, speed, and cutting-edge weapons, it could change how wars are fought at sea. As plans move forward, the world watches if this best-looking warship becomes reality.
So, hanggang dito na lang po tayo at nakita naman natin yung mga barko na pinalabas nito ni ni Weapon of the World. So, mukhang ang gusto lang ni Trump ipakita rito na sila pa rin yung nangunguna pagdating sa teknolohiya. No? At sabi niya, dalawa yung gagawin, natatawagin na Golden Fleet. Kasi napakamahal po nga. Napakamahal po. Mas malaki, mas mahal, mas high-tech, mas mahal. No? Ibig yung pinagmamalaki niyang laser ay nakakabit dito, no? Yung pinakamagandang uri ng laser na pandigma para i-shutdown ng isang aircraft. Meron ito. So, hindi yan ikakabit kung hindi hindi sila naging matagumpay sa proyekto ng laser. Andun ng railgun, andun ng mga missile. Pero sabi nga nila, ang gera ngayon ay mukhang walang function yung mga barko, no? Mas may function kung yung tinatawag nila nga missile to missile, no? Mas functional yung missile kaysa sa mga barko. Although kaya nga malaki ito siguro ay puno ito ng mga missile. At ito ang magko-control, ang magiging command center dito sa karagatan kung saan man ito naka-assign, mapa West Philippine Sea, Pacific, Atlantic, o kung saan malapit. Ito yung pinakamagiging command center nila na kung saan punong-puno ng bala, punong-puno ng missile. At siyempre, pag naglayag yan, hindi yan nag-iisa. Papalibutan niya ng mga iba pang klase ng destroyer. At may kasama yung aircraft carrier. So hanggang dito na lang po. At ay pagdasal po natin ang kapayapaan sana po manatili. Hindi po ang anumang labanan dito sa ating mundo. Maraming salamat po. Huwag po natin kalimutan magpasalamat din sa ating Panginoong Jesus na nagbigay sa atin ng pag-asa. Ito po ang Awi Mix Videos. Hanggang sa muli.